Imagine a world where machines can think, learn, and adapt just like humans. A world where artificial intelligence isn't just a concept from science fiction, but a powerful force transforming every aspect of our daily lives. Today, we're diving into the fascinating realm of artificial intelligence and its groundbreaking impact on various industries. From healthcare to entertainment, finance to agriculture, AI is reshaping how we live and work in ways we never imagined, while also considering the ethical and social implications of this technological takeover. Artificial intelligence is now converting into an essential technology, taking innovation across various sectors through advanced machine learning and deep learning models. These technologies enable applications like real-time data processing in finance and healthcare, natural language processing for chatbots and virtual assistants, and the integration with IoT to create smarter environments. As AI systems become more sophisticated, ensuring ethical use and mitigating biases is crucial. With this foundation, let's explore how AI is transforming specific industries, revolutionizing the way we live and work. Healthcare. AI is revolutionizing healthcare in remarkable ways. In medical diagnostics, AI systems analyze medical images with incredible accuracy, detecting diseases like cancer at earlier stages than ever before. Personalized medicine is another breakthrough where AI tailors treatments based on an individual's genetic makeup, lifestyle, and environment, offering more effective and targeted therapies. Additionally, AI-powered robotic surgery enhances precision in complex procedures, reducing recovery times and improving patient outcomes. These advancements are just the beginning as AI continues to push the boundaries of what's possible in healthcare. Finance. In the finance sector, AI is transforming the landscape with unparalleled efficiency and accuracy. Algorithmic trading utilizes AI to analyze market data and execute trades at lightning speed and optimizing investment strategies. AI-driven fraud detection systems continuously monitor transactions, identifying suspicious activities and protecting consumers from fraud. Moreover, AI-powered customer service through chatbots and virtual assistants enhances user experience, providing instant support and personalized financial advice. As AI evolves, it promises to bring even greater innovation and security to the financial industry. Manufacturing. Manufacturing is experiencing a significant transformation thanks to AI. Predictive maintenance powered by AI algorithms predicts equipment failures before they occur, reducing downtime and maintenance costs. Automation on the assembly line, driven by AI, improves efficiency and precision, leading to higher quality products and faster production times. AI also plays a crucial role in quality control, using computer vision to inspect products and ensure they meet stringent standards. These advancements in AI are streamlining manufacturing processes and setting new benchmarks for productivity and quality. Retail. AI is reshaping the retail industry by enhancing both customer experience and operational efficiency. Personalized shopping experiences are now possible thanks to AI algorithms that analyze customer preferences and behavior, recommending products tailored to individual tastes. Inventory management is optimized through AI, ensuring that stores are stocked with the right products at the right time, reducing waste and improving sales. Additionally, AI-powered customer service chatbots provide instant support, answering queries and assisting with purchases, making shopping more convenient and enjoyable for consumers. These innovations are driving the retail sector towards a more efficient and customer-centric future. Transportation. The transportation industry is undergoing a revolution with AI at its core. Autonomous vehicles, powered by advanced AI systems, are on the brink of becoming a common sight, promising safer and more efficient travel. AI-driven traffic management systems optimize traffic flow in real time, reducing congestion and improving commute times. In logistics, AI enhances supply chain management and route optimization, ensuring timely deliveries and reducing operational costs. These AI advancements are paving the way for a smarter, more efficient transportation network that meets the demands of a rapidly changing world. Entertainment. AI is making waves in the entertainment industry, creating new possibilities for content creation and consumption. AI-generated music, art, and literature are pushing the boundaries of creativity, producing works that rival human creations. Personalized recommendations powered by AI algorithms enhance user experiences on streaming platforms like Netflix and Spotify, suggesting content based on individual preferences. In gaming, AI is revolutionizing game design and player interactions, creating more immersive and dynamic experiences. As AI continues to evolve, it promises to unlock new levels of creativity and engagement in the entertainment industry. Agriculture is being transformed by AI, driving efficiency and sustainability. Precision farming, powered by AI, enables farmers to monitor and manage crops with unprecedented accuracy, optimizing water usage and minimizing chemical inputs. Automated equipment like drones and autonomous tractors perform tasks such as planting, spraying, and harvesting, reducing labor costs and increasing productivity. AI also plays a crucial role in supply chain optimization, ensuring that food reaches consumers quickly and efficiently. These innovations are helping farmers meet the growing demand for food while minimizing environmental impact. Ethical and social implications. As AI continues to integrate into various industries, its impact on the job market is a major concern. Automation and AI-driven systems can lead to job displacement, particularly in sectors like manufacturing and transportation. However, it's important to note that while AI may eliminate certain jobs, it also creates new opportunities. Roles in AI development, maintenance, and oversight are emerging, requiring a new set of skills. Upskilling and reskilling the workforce are essential to ensure that people can transition into these new roles, mitigating the negative effects of job displacement. Another significant issue is the ethical use of AI. As AI systems are deployed in critical areas like healthcare, finance, and law enforcement, ensuring fairness and eliminating bias is crucial. AI algorithms can inadvertently perpetuate existing biases present in the data they are trained on, leading to unfair outcomes. Efforts are underway to develop frameworks and guidelines for ethical AI use, emphasizing transparency, accountability, and fairness. Additionally, concerns about privacy are paramount, as AI systems often rely on vast amounts of personal data. Striking a balance between leveraging data for innovation and protecting individual privacy rights is essential for the responsible advancement of AI technologies. Now let's discuss the future of artificial intelligence. The future of AI holds incredible promise, with emerging technologies like quantum computing set to dramatically enhance its capabilities. AI's potential in healthcare could lead to even more advanced personalized medicine, while in space exploration, it might help us uncover new frontiers. These innovations will further integrate AI into our daily lives, making it a vital tool for progress. As AI continues to evolve, it will bring about transformative changes across all sectors. We can anticipate AI-driven smart cities optimizing urban living and advanced AI systems revolutionizing education with personalized learning experiences. However, as we move forward, it's essential to address ethical considerations and ensure responsible development. By fostering collaboration between technologists, policymakers, and society, we can harness AI's full potential to create a more innovative, equitable, and sustainable future. If you found this video informative and engaging, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might be interested. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more in-depth explorations of the technologies shaping our future.